Labor Day is over, September is here, and school is back in session. It is the time of year that parents and most children all really love, and that is back to school season. I know when I was a kid, I loved back to school. Loved it. I loved the fresh and exciting feeling you got when you walked through the door on the first day of school and your new year was full of possibility and how much you were going to grow, and you got to see your friends and you were going to learn, and you came prepared with all sorts of brand new school supplies. I'm not gonna lie, that was one of my favorite parts. But the joy of back to school season is something that I experienced every single year from the day I started kindergarten all the way up until I graduated college. And I'd love to take that feeling and applying it to other parts of my life. So even though it is September, it is a fresh start time, and we are going to take the back to school season and we are going to apply it to our diet. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking the fresh and exciting feeling of the back to school season and we are applying it to our health and our weight loss journeys. And I am so excited to be bringing you this 4-part series all about how to take that back to school feeling and turning it into something you can use now as an adult, even if you are not in school anymore. As I said in my little intro, back to school to me was just one of the most exciting times of the year. I, honest to goodness, loved back to school. I freaking loved school. It was amazing. I was that nerd. And it wasn't even because I was all jazzed up about learning, but I loved the social aspect of school. I loved being back with my friends. I loved being back into my normal routine. And I loved being able to go and do and accomplish things that I loved to do. For me, if you know me, for me that was primarily all involving music. I loved music. I loved choir. I was in band. I was in show choir. And the start of the school year gave me the opportunity to do all of those things that I have not been doing all summer long. And it was just, oh, I loved it. And then there was the school supply shopping. Am I the only adult that still gets a little bit excited deep down when school supplies start popping up at Target and Walmart and you're like, oh, look at these pretty notebooks, look at these pretty things. Oh my gosh, I don't even have children and I am jazzed about back to school supplies. I really am. I always have been, always will be. The feeling of back to school just makes me so freaking happy. So I had the thought, why don't we apply this to something that we're working towards now? We might not be in school anymore. We might not have had a summer vacation for the last decade or two, but we can still use the back to school feeling and excitement to start to reach our goals and learn how to achieve them and accomplish big things, even if we don't have to work towards a diploma to do it. So I decided to start this little back to school for our diet series to help kind of kickstart us into the last bit of the year. For diets and weight loss and all that stuff, we tend to think of this time of year as when we realize that we are failing. You know what I mean? Like, oh crap, I'm no closer to my goal weight than I was this time last year. And we like to hit the reset button on January 1st. That is our day as dieters and New Year's resolution people and goal getters. Like, that's the big day for us, isn't it? So I'm telling you, why not start today? Instead of waiting until January 1st, let's go back to school and start reaching our goals before the new year. This is a new year for all kids of all ages, people in college even. This is when the new semester starts. This is the time to begin again. If you had bad grades last year, this is the time to apply yourself now and promise yourself that you're gonna get straight A's this year. This is the beginning. This is not the end of the year. This is the beginning of the year. So we're going to take that mindset and use it to help propel us forward into the last third of the year for success in our health and weight loss journeys. So for video number 1 here, we're just going to do a little bit of an introduction and kind of a setup for the next 3 videos. So this is gonna be a 4-video series, and what you need for this intro to back to school is what you need when you're getting your kids ready to go back to school. You're going to need a school supply list. Yes, I am giving you a school supply list, and for every one of these videos, I'm also giving you homework. Why not? We all had to do homework in school. We all didn't like doing homework in school, but wasn't it the thing that actually helped us retain the information that we were learning in class? I think so. So in this video, we are talking about our school supplies and our first round of homework. What you need to start this new school year on our health and weight loss journeys fresh, excited, and fully prepared to embrace the challenges we have ahead. So in the basic school supply list for this particular class, there are 5 things you are going to need. Got a pen and pencil? Here we go. Thing number 1 is a plan. Your first supply that you need is to pick a diet plan. I don't care what diet plan this is. I follow Weight Watchers Points Plus personally, but this video is not just for Weight Watchers people, even though that's why I know a lot of you are here. Your plan can be Weight Watchers Freestyle, Weight Watchers Points Plus, tracking calories, Atkins, keto, whatever it is. You just have to pick a plan that you are going to stick with throughout this journey. So once you have that plan picked, that's step 1. That is your first supply. Pick a plan that you are going to approach this healthy lifestyle journey with, and that's what we're going to run with. Supply number 2 is a food tracker. I don't care what plan you're following, but you're gonna need to write down what you eat. There are many different ways that you can do this. If you're just counting calories, you can use apps like MyFitnessPal, Weight Watchers, iTrackBites, all sorts of different apps on your phone. However, if you are more of a paper and pen type of person, that's fine too. Go out and get yourself a new journal or a new notebook or grab a piece of paper at the beginning of the day. It doesn't matter. You just need to have whatever the thing is that you are going to track what you put in your mouth with. School supply number 3 might seem like a little weird one, but you need it, trust me, and that is a shopping list. Just like when we have school supply shopping to do for our kids or for ourselves, the school provides us with this nifty little list of all the things you need to go get in order for your child to be successful in this upcoming school year. The same applies for your diet. Once you pick that plan, you need to figure out what foods need to be in your house in order for you to succeed on that plan. So it is essential that you get that shopping list together. Are you on Weight Watchers? You know you're gonna want fruits, vegetables, lean meats, filling fibrous-filled foods in order to help you find success. Are you on keto? I don't know exactly what all keto foods are, but I know you're gonna need some bacon and I know you're gonna need some avocado up in there. My point is, whatever plan you've chosen, which was supply number 1, now you need to do the research and make a school supply list of all of the foods you need to be successful on that plan. School supply number 4 is something that is optional, completely optional, but I find that it helps so much, and that is an inspirational community. And I know for us Weight Watchers folk out there, there is a huge inspirational community found on different places on the internet. There is Instagram, and there's an Instagram for any type of diet you're following. I swear to you, just search whatever your diet is in a hashtag and you will find plenty of people that are achieving their goals using the plan that you have chosen. If you are on Weight Watchers, you can go to Weight Watchers meetings. Every time you walk into a meeting, you can find a widely supportive group of people who are going through the same thing you are. There are places like sparkpeople.com and other message boards. MyFitnessPal has a community. My point is, find a community that you can plug into where you can get inspired. The more inspirational content you consume on a daily basis is really going to help springboard you into success personally if you are somebody that gets inspired by others. And school supply number 5 is something that for me really truly helps, so I thought I would offer it up as a suggestion to you too, and that is something new. If you guys know me, you know that I am very reward driven, and a lot of my rewards involve me getting something that I've earned, be it a manicure or a pedicure or a new article of clothing or that brand new lipstick I've been eyeing. Something new really fires me up to get things done. So as your school supply list, think about what you might need to help propel you into a higher level of motivation and use that thing as your something new. Not so good at the working out? Maybe you should go get yourself some new workout clothes. And guys, I'm talking like, you can get really cute stuff at Walmart. I'll have a couple suggestions linked down below for you, but seriously, Walmart is on point with some of their workout stuff. It doesn't have to be expensive, but there's something fresh and exciting about getting something new. Am I wrong? Do you feel this way? Let me know in the comments below. New workout clothes. If you really want to go for it, you might want to get yourself a new fitness tracker, like a brand new shiny Fitbit. There's nothing more inspirational to me than a new fitness tracker on my wrist that makes me want to get up and get things done. Maybe you need a brand new journal for your food tracking. Maybe a new set of knives or some brand new food storage containers, or even that air fryer you've been hearing so much about. Get yourself something that new and shiny that's going to excite you, but is something that's actually going to help you with the area you need the most help in your diet. So if workout's your thing, get something geared towards workout. If you're not so good at the cooking, get yourself something that's going to excite you about cooking. Even a brand new cookbook. The Hungry Girl cookbooks, guys, are on point. And those can be found on Amazon for not all that expensive. The point is, find something that's going to motivate you in the area that you need the most motivation. All right, so there are your school supplies, and now it is time for your homework assignment. Every video I'm going to give you a little something that you could of course not do, because I'm not your teacher, I'm not grading you, but I really truly believe that doing these homework assignments are going to help you get started and get the new school year off to the right start. So just like I had 5 supplies for you, I have 5 little homework assignments for you, and a lot of them, don't worry, are interchangeable, so it's fine. Assignment number 1, like goal or school supply number 1, is pick your plan and then do the research required to make sure that you can hit the ground running. Know what kind of foods are good for your plan. Know what kind of foods you should avoid for your plan. Maybe create a meal plan, create your shopping list, and get all of the stuff ready to go. That's homework assignment number 1. Homework assignment number 2 is go out and get your something new, like I just talked about. Now it's great to sit and daydream about your something new, but if you go out and get it, you can start using it, which is exactly what we want to do, right? So go get your something new. Homework assignment number 3 is to set a short-term goal. Yes, I know, we're all thinking big picture here. You're like, yes, it's the new school year, I'm going to lose 55 pounds. Start small, guys. Because let's be honest, you stay more motivated when you are reaching goals, when you are seeing progress. So if you make your one and only goal, I'm going to lose 55 pounds, and it's taking you the whole year to do it, you are not going to feel very motivated. But if you decide that you are going to lose 5% of your current body weight, or your first 5 pounds, then you can get to that goal a lot sooner, and you will feel like you are achieving something. Your first small goal could be a weight loss goal of 5% or 5 pounds, or it can be, I'm going to track my food today. I'm going to go for a walk today. The goal of the goal is to pick a small one so you can achieve it. And the more you start to achieve, the more you are going to set, because you will want to achieve that much more. So assignment number 3 is pick your small goal. Homework assignment number 4 only works if you are like me and you are a reward-driven person, but I always like seeing what I'm going to get at the end of this. You might not be working for an A, and you might ultimately be working for the goal weight, but there's no harm in making sure you're working towards little things in between, because like I said, the big picture goal might take you a while, so it's important to give yourself little goals and little rewards in the meantime. So maybe you write down your little list of goals, like after 5 pounds I get a new book, or I get to go for a massage. After 10 pounds I get a new outfit or a new shirt. After 15 pounds we can go do whatever. After 50 pounds, we can go on that vacation that I've been eyeballing. You know, things like that. So go ahead and write out some rewards that you can give yourself, some serious rewards. Even if you are on a rather tight budget, you can still reward yourself with things you have right at home. Maybe you're gonna do an at-home spa day, or maybe you're gonna let yourself sleep in or go to bed early. Maybe you're going to get some friends or the grandparents to babysit the kids so you and your significant other can go out on an actual date night. Set yourself some rewards that are completely reasonable for you, but it gives you something to look forward to as you make progress. And homework assignment number 5, and this might be the most important first step homework assignment. I want you to go and get a piece of paper or open a Word document or something, and I want you to write out your why. Why do you want to do this? Why are you in this class right now? What is it that you want to achieve? And I don't want to hear, I want to lose 50 pounds. Why? Why? And keep asking yourself why as you break things down until you can't answer why anymore. I want to lose 50 pounds. Why? Because I want to feel better about myself. Why? etc., etc., etc. It's very important to narrow down the true reason that you want to do this, because I guarantee you, you don't want to just lose weight to lose weight. You don't want to do that just because, you know, I want to say, I lost 50 pounds. No, I want to feel confident in my own skin. I want to be able to run around with my grandchildren. I want to be able to run a marathon someday. I want to feel like I am strong and fit and sexy. I want to feel confident without my clothes on. Things like that. Real, tangible things that get you fired up to go and get this done. Write down your why. If you feel so inclined to share your why, which I have done, and I will post the video right up there for you if you are at all interested in what my personal why is. I have shared it with you before. I'll share it with you again. But if you want to share your why, go ahead and write it in the comments down below. Or if you don't want it there for public consumption, you can even email me if you just want me to know what your why is. I'm very curious to know what each and every one of your whys are. But that is the big homework assignment. Get the big picture. Understand why you want to do this, because if you are doing it for the right reasons, that's what's going to get you fired up. So there you go. That is introduction to your back to school series for your diet. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button down there, and make sure you do all of the things I told you to do in this video. Get your school supplies together, do your homework, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about tracking. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!